Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to Alex Builds. We're now going to be doing stage 80 of Build the Ghostbusters Ecto 1. Okay, so with stage 80 we are starting our first door. Not a lot to do in stage 80, believe me, but yeah, it's an iconic one because we start the doors. So have a look at that. That is our first door. As you can see, our No Ghost logo has already been attached onto there. So let me show you what we're doing in this one. There's not actually that much to do in stage 80 because half of it's already been done for us. So basically we're starting the door, and basically we're going to add this part onto here. Don't know what that is. It looks like it says fit in the door parts. So that's part for the rear view mirror. We're going to add that with a TP screw. And then we're going to put an AM screw into this part here, which is for our handle. Then we're going to start making up the hinge. So we're going to be adding the hinge down onto there. That's just going to get plugged into there. A plate that goes over that, 2 washers, and then some RM screws to secure that down. This bit here we do not need to do because this was all about fitting the actual No Ghost logo, but that has already been done for us, so we don't have to worry about this part. So by the end, that is pretty much what we should have down there. Okay, so when people started getting this delivery, a lot of people had issue with this stage, this one, because they actually supplied a sticker in this stage. So as you can see, there's a part missing there where they did supply a sticker. Now, they did, when they marketed this, they said no fiddly stickers or decals. And yeah, everyone kicked off, so eaglemoss had to put that right. They've now affixed the sticker for us, so it is actually on the door. A lot of people say this isn't 100% accurate, so I will leave links down in the description where you can go ahead and get yourself an accurate one if you want to remove that one and put another one on. So without further ado, let's get the parts open and start building. Okay, so the parts at the packaging, have a look at that. So that is our Ghostbuster door. That is looking really, really nice, even though the emblem isn't 100% accurate on there. Mine's, I don't believe it's wonky. It looks pretty straight from my eyes, but yeah, some people's had theirs on wonky as well. But yeah, mine's looks straight enough. So the first things we're going to do is we're going to add some details to it. So we're going to need to get ourselves a TP screw, and this little detail here, this is for the wing mirror. This is just going to get plugged into there, just like so, and then we're going to put a TP screw through this hole just here. So let's get this one in. Just like that. You want to make sure that is facing back the way, just like that. Now we're going to be fitting our door handle. So this is our door handle. This is metal. So that's going to slide down into there. When we turn that over, we're going to want to put an AM screw through the end hole just here. So let's get that one in, just there. There we are, just like so. So that is our handles on. Now the last thing to do is to put our hinge on. So we want to get our hinge. You want the angled side to be facing the outside of the door. So this is going just down here. This is going into there. Into that little gap just there. Then we can put this plate on, which is going facing that way. Then the 2 washers over the top, 2, and then 2 RM screws to finish off this issue. Let's get the first one in. So I am using a partworks upgrade builder's cushion, which is really helping with this door. It's making sure that I'm not scratching anything, because we don't want to scratch this nice paintwork that's on this Ecto 1. We don't want to scratch that logo off either. So let's get this down, and there we are. That is our door hinge on there, and that is issue 80 all complete. So there you are, guys. That is issue 80 all done. And yeah, I'm really impressed with that. I really do like the door. It's all pretty much die cast metal, apart from that part there, which is plastic. The handle's metal. and everything to do with the hinge is metal, and obviously the door is metal as well. So yeah, nice really sturdy door that. So I do recommend that you pick yourself up a builder's cushion from Partwork Upgrades. I will leave links down in the description. They are absolutely ideal and they will save you an absolute fortune when you're doing issues like this, because you won't be asking for replacement parts, and they'll save you a lot of hassle. So do highly recommend getting yourself a builder's cushion. The link will be down in the description below. So that's it until next time, guys. If you like this video, please remember to leave a like down below, and if you haven't already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you all next time. Take care. Bye bye.